Rice and play!
Let's learn the sounds that farm animals make with the Melissa and Doug sound puzzle. Rooster. Lamb. Cat. Pig. Dog. Duck. Cow. Horse. Learning the sounds that farm animals makes is so much fun.
Bye! Thanks for watching. Thank you, subscribe. Thumbs up. I heart you. Subscribe. See you next